Okay, so this video is going to be on the group 7, which are the halogens, and in particular it's going to be on the displacement reactions. So the oxidizing abilities of the halogens are directly proportional to their electronegativities. In the aqueous spec we don't need to know about fluorine, so just kind of imagine that that doesn't exist right now in the halogens. So this means that chlorine is the most oxidizing agent. So for example, chlorine will react with bromide, it will displace the bromide to be oxidized, therefore producing a bromine and 2 moles of chloride. And this is because the chlorine oxidizes the bromide ions, and this is the same for iodide. This can be seen graphically in the table below. So chlorine will displace bromide to form a yellow solution. This yellow solution could also be an orange solution. Both answers will be accepted in an exam. And this is because bromine will be produced as a solution in the products. So then, using the same theory, chlorine will displace iodide by oxidizing it, and this will form a brown solution, because what colour is iodine solution? Brown. However, this also works for bromine, because bromine is more oxidizing than iodide, so bromine will displace the iodide, therefore producing a brown solution also, and that's because iodine will be the solution present in the products. So now we need to know about disproportionation reactions. So this is where something is both oxidized and reduced in a reaction. The equation for this is 2 sodium hydroxides plus 1 mole of chlorine gas to form 1 mole of sodium chloride, 1 mole of NaClO, which is used as bleach, and 1 mole of water. Another disproportionation reaction we need to know is chlorine and water, and this forms hydrochloric acid and HClO, and the equation for this is here. And a key mention is it's a reversible reaction. The HClO formed from this reaction can further react with water to form chlorate and H3O+, and the equation for this is here. Another reaction which could have happened, instead of forming HCl and HClO, is if bright sunlight was used for the reaction between chlorine and water, and this would again form hydrochloric acid, but the second product would be oxygen, not the bleach. So the equation for this would be 2 moles of chlorine gas plus 1 mole of water to form 4 moles of hydrochloric acid and 1 mole of oxygen. I'd recommend you just learn these equations, they're not very hard, and then that's all you need to know for the displacement reactions of the group 7 halogens.